Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be doing some shrimp chow mein. Now I love this dish, it comes out great every time I make it, and it's super easy and fast to make. So no further ado, let's get into the recipe so I can show you how to make it. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is ring. Check me out on social media, that way you can get notification of all my new recipes. We're going to need 2 pounds of extra large shrimp, peeled, tail off, and deveined. You're going to need 1 sliced red bell pepper, 1 lime, and about 2 cups of sliced cabbage. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and 1 bunch of green onions. 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seed oil. 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce. We're going to need 5 Japanese chilies crushed. And finally, you want to get some already made packaged rice noodles. This is going to make it a lot easier so that we can just throw everything together. Now we're going to oil our wok on high heat. This is about medium-high heat. Shrimp cooks really fast, so we're going to kind of reverse the process here and we're going to cook our vegetables first. So we're going to go ahead and dump in all our vegetables and we're going to season with just a little bit of salt and pepper. Since we're cooking this on higher heat, this is going to cook really fast. You're going to cook this for about 2 minutes, and once that cabbage starts to become a little translucent, we're going to go ahead and start adding in our other ingredients. At this moment, you're going to start noticing that as you start adding some of these ingredients all together, you're going to have some amazing aromas. It smells so delicious, just standing in front of this wok. You just want to go ahead and let this marry together for like about 2 minutes. Just stir it around, get all those flavors all over everything. And once we squeeze in our lime, we're gonna just go ahead and add in our shrimp. You wanna make sure that you get the shrimp mixed in with all that stuff. You want the flavors of that beautiful combination right there to get all over your shrimp. So just go ahead and give it a mix. And this is actually pretty quick. This is gonna take you about 2 to 2.5 minutes to cook that shrimp. So you wanna be really fast on this. So just give everything a stir. And then once everything's pretty much cooked up, we're gonna add in our rice noodles. These pre-packaged rice noodles are already cooked, so really all you have to do is just get the moisture in there and then they break apart really easy and then they start to come together. Once you can get that moisture in there, they're really easy to work with. So just go ahead and mix everything around. It'll take a couple minutes just to, get the moisture all over the noodles, but once it's done, you get it nicely mixed and it's just a beautiful and delicious combination. Now for our final touch, you want to garnish with a little bit of cilantro leaves and some sesame seeds. All right, let's give this a try. Let's see how this tastes. Just want to get a little bit of everything. There we go. Spicy. Got a good kick to it, but really flavorful. The lime makes it nice and fresh. And then the soy sauce and the sesame seed, really good stuff. That came out really fantastic and I hope you give it a try. As always, I'll leave the link in the video description or in the comment section so that we can go to cookingwithkirby.com, that we can get the full printable recipe. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, that we can see future videos just like this and many more. And hit the bell so that way you can get all notifications. Oh yeah, I have these recipes, they're really good, you should give them a try. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.